Hello everyone. So today's topic is convert a binary tree or any tree into a mirror tree. So this is a pretty simple problem, and first we need to see what a mirror tree is. For example, if we try to draw a mirror tree for this given tree, so the root node will be as it is. For all the rest nodes, it will, for every node, the right node or the right child will become the left child and the left child will become the right child. For example, here for the root 1, this is the left child and this is the right child, right? So for converting into the mirror tree, these two will be swapped or change position. So this will be 3 and this will be 2. And same recursively, you can do it for every node. For example, for 2, this is the left child, so now it will become the right child. And for 3, this is the left child, this is the right child, this will become 6 and this will become 5. So now that we have defined the problem, let's see how we can do that. So we'll use recursion for converting a tree into a mirror tree. So let's just see what is the base condition. The base condition can be that whatever node or whatever root you are passing, if node equal to null, right? So we will basically have a function mirror. Here we will pass a node, right? Node root. So this will be the base condition. So we'll just return null in this case. Else, see, it is pretty straightforward. What we are doing is we are just swapping the right child and left child, right? But before that, we need to call this mirror function for root dot left, because we want to convert the left subtree also in the mirror, and same for the right subtree, right? And then we can swap left and right nodes. So this is a pretty straightforward algorithm. Now let's just see a code snippet for more clarity. Okay, so here is a Geeks for Geeks prompt. As you can see that we have to convert a tree into a mirror tree. So the same algorithm or the pseudo code that we talked about, this is a function where you're passing the node or the root basically. So if the root is equal to null, we'll just return. Okay, so this function doesn't return anything. In our example, we were returning the root. So as you're changing the tree, it doesn't even matter if you're returning the root or not. Here, I have defined a temp node which will be used for swapping. And before that, we are calling the left and the right tree. And here, we'll just swap it. So this is a pretty simple code. Let's try to submit it and see. Yeah, so our code has successfully passed. Now let's just see what are the company tags. So as you can see, it's a pretty popular problem which is asked in so many companies. So if you have any doubt, just comment it below.